Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to block gambling sites or betting sites in Google Chrome. It is a very easy and simple process, and I give two simple methods to block gambling sites or betting sites in a Google Chrome. Before go to this video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. Before go to our video, I give the introduction of our two methods. Our first method is block manually sites one by one, and second method is block all bad site, betting site or gambling sites by the Google DNS. We go to our DNS and change that DNS and block this all bad sites. So let's go to our video and go to our first method. I go to here Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, at this point here we find a three dot in a Google Chrome. Click on the three dot in a Google Chrome, scroll down and find settings. Click on the settings. In a settings, here we find privacy and security. Click on the privacy and security. In a privacy and security, last option, site settings. Click on the site settings. In a site settings, scroll down and find pop-ups and redirects. Click on that. Here we find many options. Here we find customized behaviors. Here we find not allowed to send pop-up or use redirects. Click at here, add, click on the add and add the bad sites or the gambling sites or the betting sites website name. Add that website name. For example, I add one site name. This is an example site's name. I add this, click on the add, also add this, and this time add this like this and click on add, and these sites are blocked on the Google Chrome. Our second method is also easy and simple. Go to the next dns.io, type next dns.io and open the next dns.io from the first link. Here we find next dns.io. Click on the try it now. Click on the try it now. Wait for a few seconds, and if you not created account, then create your account, sign up here and create your account. In the next DNS, we find many options. We want to block gambling sites or the bad sites or the betting sites. For that, go to here parental control. Click on the parental control. In a parental control, here we find categories. Click on the category. Click on add a category. Click on add a category. In a add a category, we can add any category that you want. If you want to block bad sites, then click at here add gambling, then here dating, then here, and also social network and other things. I want to gambling only, so I click at here and click on the gambling and close it. Now in category we find gambling. Next option is go to the setup. Click on the setup. In a setup, scroll down. Here we find many options: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS and browser. I want to add it to browser, so click on the browser. Scroll down and here we find Google Chrome, and here we find the one link in bold letters from H to this last letter. Select this from here to here, not select dot. Right click on this, click on the copy or Ctrl C on your keyboard. After that, go to the new window or new tab, and here we find in a Google Chrome three dots. Click on these three dots, scroll down settings, click on the settings. In a settings, click on the privacy and security. Click on the privacy and security. In a privacy and security, we find security. Click on the security. In a security, scroll down and here we find use secure DNS. It is, if it's off, then on it. Here we find select DNS provider. It is OS default. Click at here and change it to the add custom DNS service provider. Add custom DNS service provider and paste the our URL at here and make a space. After that space and click on the white space anywhere, and here we find the DNS is add. Now I go to here and I search for the best gambling sites. I've searched for the best gambling sites. After that, scroll down and I find this site. I open that site. After open, I scroll down and here we find some site. I visit this site one by one. I visit this first site and it is blocked. There is no, this site is not available for us. It is blocked by the our DNS. Second, I go to this site. This is also gambling site and this is also blocked. So these sites are blocked. Our gambling sites, betting sites or the bad sites are blocked in the Google Chrome by these simplest two ways. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.